Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a busy night across Acadiana. The threat of not only severe weather, but flooding developing later on tonight. We do have a little bit of an increase in our tornado and wind damage risk compared to what we were talking about yesterday and what we see going on right now. Might see some more hail, but the biggest threat overall for all of Acadiana is going to be the flood threat, where we're still calling for between 4 to 8 inches of rainfall. Isolated spots may see more than that, but pinpointing where that's going to be impossible until we start to see the cells lining up, and that's going to be later on tonight through the wee morning hours of our Wednesday morning. You can see it's very busy across southwest Louisiana this hour. We have a couple of intense thunderstorms where we do have a couple of warnings going right now. We had severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings going in effect for Beauregard Parish, and knew just minutes ago a flood warning as well. So let's kind of zoom into this action that we're seeing, and we're seeing some rotation right here with this particular cell, and this is what the Doppler is estimating, showing us a mesocyclone, the possibility of some large hail with this, moving generally to the northeast at about 33 miles an hour. So let's come in and take a look at some of the velocity data, and here was the couplet that we were looking at. This is out of the Lake Charles radar. Now if I move it south, I could go back and forth. This is Lake Charles and this is the Fort Polk radar. We're still seeing that couplet there right along and east of Highway 171. So severe weather threat there as we go through the next half hour. That tornado warning in effect till 6:30 p.m. And then we see additional storms beginning to fire up and showing some lightning now across western portions of Acadia Parish, moving through Evangeline Parish. And this is all heading northward, and the main flood threat, at least through the evening hours, the severe weather threat northwest, but then gradually working its way through Acadiana later on tonight. Tornado watch extended for all of Acadiana through 9 o'clock tonight. May get extended beyond that. Look at all the warnings we have going. Flood warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings in the orange, and then we have that tornado warning for our portions of Beauregard Parish. So bottom line, stay weather aware. Make sure you have your weather radio turned on or your favorite KATC app and location services turned on, so you can be alerted to that severe storms should they come your way. Obviously the flood watch continues, and we're going to have more flood warnings as we go through the evening hours, on top of the possibility of severe thunderstorm warnings. And this is how it's going to go hour by hour, with the bulk of the heavier rains moving into the I-10 corridor between 9 o'clock and about midnight tonight. We're going to see activity before then, but then what we have is back building and repeat storms training over the same area, just the way the atmosphere is set up. Now we're not sure if the model's capturing it just right or not, but this is ripe for flooding conditions through the overnight hours through early Wednesday. It does look like we get a break from the storms Wednesday afternoon. They move offshore, but we do have more rain chances in the forecast going into Thursday and Friday. Near term, if we're just looking at the rainfall through 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, this is the HER model. It hasn't backed off on its high totals yet. I've been watching the hour-by-hour predictive radar models, and they're still in this realm. The graph model was a little bit better for us, showing still the threat of flooding. Anything in yellow is going to be pushing about 8 inches of rain, but maybe not as widespread or down toward the coast, but we'll just have to wait and see how it fleshes out. Bottom line, be prepared for flooding and the potential for severe weather. We'll be watching it throughout the evening hours, cutting into programming when we have significant severe storms developing. Otherwise, watch that crawl on your screen and keep the KATC app going. Upper 60s overnight tonight, your rain chance at 100%. We could see wind gusts. We haven't talked about that. 35 to 40 very easily in most of the storms. And then if they're severe, you're going to see higher wind gusts and the possibility of hail. Moving forward, rain chances at 60% for Thursday night, ending a little bit for Friday, although model wants to keep some storms in the area, and then still scattered activity through the weekend. But the main flood threat and the severe weather threat will be primarily for tonight into tomorrow morning. But additional rains that we see and where they set up Thursday into the weekend could be problematic as well. That's it for weather for now. We'll have a full update coming up later in the show.